Hey guys, it's Gray, and today I'm going to be attempting to make my very own black Easter eggs. Now, I love Easter. I love the Easter candy, especially my Reese's Easter eggs. Oh my god, I love those so much. But I've always wanted to try making a black Easter egg. I've never done it before. So today we're going to attempt to make some black Easter eggs. What you're going to be needing for this project is, of course, some stuff to boil an egg, food coloring. Now I have this black icing coloring because I couldn't find black colored food coloring at the store. But from what I'm understanding, I looked it up and a lot of people are saying you can use black icing coloring as a substitute for food coloring, but it's a bit more pigmented than food coloring, so you have to be a little bit more careful how much you use unless you really want a vibrant color, or in my case, a really deep black is not a problem. In case this ends up messing up, I got some black food coloring markers. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so first I'm gonna get started with the stuff to boil the egg. So first I have some water in a pot, and you want to make sure you have enough water in the pot that will completely cover the eggs. And there's a few ways of doing this, but I'm going to first bring my water up to a boil, and I'm going to put the temperature on high. And once it's up to a boil, we're going to go ahead and first add the black dye. Now, I recommend adding more than what I did here. I only put a small amount, but now that the dye is added, I'm going to go ahead and bring the temperature down to low, and we're going to add the eggs in. You want to make sure you bring the temperature down low, so that way the egg doesn't go out of control and break in the boiling water. Now that they're all in, we're going to go ahead and bring the temperature back up to what it was before we lowered it, and we're going to let the eggs marinate in the boiling black water for about 15 minutes. Okay, so now we are in for the moment of truth. It's been 15 minutes, and I am here taking out the eggs. And as you could probably tell, these aren't black eggs. They're still pretty, but not what I wanted. No cigar. So now I'm just going to put them in this makeshift ice bath, and I'm going to go ahead and retry this. I added the whole thing of black dye this time, and if this doesn't work, I'm not going out of quarantine to get another because I only had one, but I am going to try a different method. So this is what it looks like after repeating the same steps with just the whole bottle of dye this time. And here are the results from my last attempt with this project. I thought they were going to be a darker purple, but they kind of look the same. And if anything, they kind of look like a purple magenta color, which is still nice, but it kind of pisses me off that I added the whole bottle of dye and it looks the exact same. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and try the other method. My mom took one of the extra eggs earlier because she was hungry. Sorry. You want to make sure the eggs completely cool down before you start the next step. So because that plan didn't work out, I'm going to go ahead and try to color these black with black marker. Okay, so from here, all it takes is a few coats of marker to get these eggs to turn black. So if you want, you can add as many layers as you want and it could turn out darker, but I only put 3 all around and they turned out pretty well. Took quite a bit of time to do this, but if you are down for the project, I definitely recommend it. I definitely think that us dyeing them the darkest we possibly could first helped with the markers, because I don't know how it would have looked. I think it would have taken like a few more coats with the marker to get it this deep, but I thought it was fun. Please make sure you are wearing gloves because my hands are stained. Actually, I was able to get a little bit of the dye off my hands, but earlier my fingers were darker than the dang eggs I was coloring. So I think this is a cute idea to try out, like a little festive thing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful Easter if you guys celebrate it, and I will see you guys later.